So we're gonna check that out.
We made it.
We made it to the hotel.
It's only 5:40.
Only 5:40.
I'm not tired at all.
Oh, it's bigger than I thought.
Oh, yeah.
Yay. Okay, we got a coat rack. I
It's
left all the
taller than I
bags.
thought, but it's actually, oh, it's kind of cute.
Yeah, it's really cute. Slippers. Sorry, I'm not even holding. Wow. Oh, so much art. Oh, nice wall view. But otherwise, yes. Good morning, Tokyo. Yesterday we got in around 3 or 4. I think by the time we got to the hotel it was around like 6 or 5. We thought we'd have like energy to go get some tonkatsu, and while we were there we totally started crashing, but the food was really good. The katsu was so crispy and just super tasty. But yeah, as soon as we came back to the hotel, we just immediately conked out because we were so exhausted. Today the plan is to go get coffee. I don't know which one will be open because it's still really early. And then we'll get lunch with Yuda's family. And then we'll explore the Shinjuku, Harajuku area. And then after that, I think we have sushi dinner reservations. It's like omakase style. And then after that we'll be seeing Yuda's friend to finish off the night. Woohoo! I have a jam-packed day. What? This is face wash? Okay. Actually wash my face. Splashing everywhere. Ah! Why is this happening? Sprayed water on myself. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow. Ah! We're on our way. I can't remember where.
Coffee Supreme.
Coffee Supreme. Supreme. Should be a 20-minute walk. Still early.
Pepperoni toasty. Frank Ocean.
Oh, yeah.
Yuda. Jen.
Yes.
No tag.
We just bought this. And a party for our hands. Pretty smooth. They blended in perfectly.
Oh, it's wrong.
Oh, the real deal, huh? Or 3, sorry.
We're on 3.
We're on 3. Oh. very violent. You're just gonna drive as well.
Oh, okay. My fingers hurt so bad.
Second tune, clear! E-class.
Fancy
living. So I done seen Yuna's uncle and cousin, and now we're eating again.
Eating again.
We just got home from a long day of our first full day in Tokyo. We got up at 7:30, hit the town at 9, explored everywhere, and now we're at home after seeing Yura's friend and his fiance, and we went to a couple of places, a couple of bars. Now we're super tired and getting ready for bed, but excited for another day of Tokyo tomorrow. It was so fun. Good morning from Tokyo! We're about to head out. Yesterday we did a bunch of stuff. Hopefully I captured everything except for the 80s bar, boogies.
Showa boogie.
Showa boogie. We couldn't take pictures in there. That was that! Right now we're gonna head to Asakusa. Check out the Shinjoshi? Sensoji. I had the letters, it just got all jumbled up. So we're gonna check that out. Apparently it might be crazy, but it's iconic, so we want to see.
It's very famous. Oh yeah, there's a festival going on today there, so it's gonna be a little hectic, but first we're gonna try to eat some ramen.
I can't wait! So nostalgic.
Daughter's boyfriend?
Daughter's boyfriend. I don't know if you're wearing that, but it's funny. Should we get you one?
And how's Nancy?
It smells amazing in here.
Yeah, that's a cool bowl.
Yeah. Oh.
Right, it won't take too long.
Yeah. How does the egg have 2 yolks? It's burning my tongue, but I want to keep eating.
No.
I always know when the food is good or like quiet.
No.
Should we at the omakase? The people working there would like request things in the kitchen. They say like onegaishimasu. What does that mean?
Onegai is like I ask or like I wish. I beg in a way. People say that all the time. Just like I ask for this.
Oh, here we go. Very funny. Wraps? Oh, it's a different team though. I mean, it makes sense. It looks pretty epic.
Oh wait. Some people 35. Yeah.
Regular fortune. Yay.
Regular.
Is it more?
Oh, you throw it in there.
I see. Okay. Yummy? That was fun.
That was good.
Yeah. I feel almost bad like leaving.
Asakusa.
Asakusa. On our way to Ueno now.
And a Cohen.
Ueno. Oh, really? First time?
First time.
Yeah.
Well, I remember.
Even though the sun's not out, it's perfect weather. It's not humid. To go to this Shibuya Cafe.
See if we can play some Shibuya.
Oh, they're both. Getting out to dinner now.
Not dinner.
Oh, you're right. Shibuya Sky first. Oh, it's okay. Shibuya. Yeah.
Shibuya roll call. Wow, the distance. It's like a pretty big city.
It's like the biggest city of
Just got there.
Oh, look right here. I look like Hagrid. Tiny trash can. This is the tiniest trash can I've ever seen. Goodbye, tiny fridge. We couldn't fit anything except for... Nope. Goodbye. I'll miss you. Goodbye, fancy bidet I never got to use because I've had zero bowel movement.
Want to get in it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Reveal.
Review?
So cute. Your favorite.
Yay, dreams do come true. Yay!
Okay.
Oh, so cute. Oh my god. Capsule lab. Memories made.
You can choose one to send your phone. Oh, we only have 6 seconds.
Oh, oh my god. Not too bad.
Whoa.
Hilarious.
is arriving at track number 4. Please stay behind the yellow line.
先発のぞみ73号広島行き到着です。